Hi, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can keep your Gmail safe. How you can find out if someone is accessing your Gmail from elsewhere, because sometimes you might use your Gmail somewhere and not log out. Sometimes you don't even know the places you have used your Gmail. Sometimes someone who has access to your Gmail might be signing in from a different location without you being aware of it. So how do you find out? When you open your Gmail, on the right hand side, just go below and see where it tells you the last time there has been an activity in your Gmail. As you can see, in my case, it was in the last 27 minutes. If you want to see more details, click where it says details. It brings up this box here. From here, you can scroll and see from what locations people have, or not people, but from what locations your Gmail has been logged into. As you can see the locations, you can see the IP addresses, you can see at what time. If, for instance, you find that your Gmail has been accessed in the, I don't know, maybe last week, but you are sure you didn't access your Gmail last week, it means that someone is accessing your Gmail from elsewhere or maybe from a different location. If you want to see more details, you can click here, show details, and you will find more details about the activities that have happened in your Gmail. What I can suggest to you in order to avoid all these kind of issues is to use the multi-factor authentication, which is the tutorial I'm going to provide, and you can find it in the details of this, or rather in the description of this video. I hope this has been helpful. Please subscribe and like my video so that I will keep on bringing you information as to how you can keep yourself safe on the internet. Thank you for watching.